Hey everybody, in this video I am going to do something I haven't in a while, which is a how-to video. For the subject for this video will be this orange semi-truck. Thanks. And the only things you'll need for this are index card or paper.
What's that?
I'm telling my viewers what to do. You know what, you're fine. Back to what I was saying, you gotta get scissors or something to cut the paper, and super glue. You don't have to use super glue, but I'm gonna do it for the video. Well, yeah, okay. Here's what you do: give the truck or vehicle or something, make a mark where you want to cut it, and there you go. I'm gonna do that off camera, so I don't have a tripod. Now that I've cut the dimensions that I want, I can now, depending on the size, I'm using an index card, so I'm just going to cut it in half. But yeah, and that, I'll do that now. Alright, so I noticed a problem that when I cut the index card in half. That was the fact that the index card covered the fenders, and I don't want that, so I just cut them out. And yeah, and you can do whatever you want with the index card. You don't even have to apply them, but I'm going to do some drawings on them, so let's do that. Alright, now that I've got the art on for the truck, I'm going to glue it on outside. So what I've decided to call the truck is a Lord Revan. Why Lord Revan, you might ask? Let's just say that it's a reference to a video game. Not one that I've owned, but one that I've heard of. Yeah, I might make a war rig out of this, like some of the other semis have done. But nah, you never know. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, now that I'm outside, I'm going to glue the ads, or the art on the semi-truck, on the truck. Let's do that. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to have to do it. You know what, I'm not going to do it off camera. Yeah, do something for once. Like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, I do not have a tripod, so I'm just going to try doing all this with one hand. See how it goes, I guess. Alright. There we go. Time to put the ad or art on the truck, and there we go. There we go. It actually turned out really smooth, not going to lie. To the other side. I'm going to glue the other side on now, so I'm going to do that. So let's get to it. Okay. If you notice, the woman I drew on there, her name's Rosalina. She's a video game character. She's my favorite video game character from Nintendo, like the Mario games and crap. But yeah, you get the idea. And there you go. That is how to make advertisements on a toy semi-truck. And as always, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay cool. See you next time. Bye.